The government is advising us to follow safety protocols to keep away from the virus. Virus is one of those microorganisms much smaller than bacteria that scouts for a viable host for it to live. One of the unfortunate hosts is the human being. Its entry is through MEN, mouth, eyes and nose. A virus can spread through droplets when an infected person sneezes, coughs, or speaks. That's why, in the new normal world today, social distancing, wearing of both masks and face shield, is required. Washing of hands is also important, as the virus can also live in inanimate surfaces and objects, and may breach through skin through vector bite, needle injury, animal bite, or abrasion. You can get infected if your hands, from these contaminated surfaces, have touched your mouth, eyes, and nose. Infection starts in the nose, and spreads through the upper respiratory tract, then to the lung tissue and further when it could. The virus enters the host cell, and uses its spike-like proteins to attach to the ACE2 receptors, and gains entry into the host cell through a process called endocytosis. At this point, the host is under the infection stage. When the virus begins to hijack the cell's system, it undergoes viral replication. And the host now is under the incubation stage, which usually takes place 5 to 11 days after infection. Then, it starts to spread its progeny, via exocytosis, beginning on the 12th day onwards to the nearby cells, which is then called the viral shedding phase of the virus life cycle. People infected with a virus have had a wide range of symptoms, from mild to severe. The virus produces a pneumonia causing damage to the lungs, then usually followed by the body's immune response to the infection. To help our bodies get the protection it needs, and to keep safe during these times, it is important to have nutrients from proven and tested natural plant resources. Oregano and ginger. They both block the viral attachment and entry. Cinnamon. It inhibits virus by preventing viral attachment and entry. Thyme. It interferes with the virus envelope, and also masks viral components which are necessary for attachment, penetration, or entry into host cells. Peppermint, known to kill viruses within the cell. Curcumin. It suppresses viral multiplication in the transcription stage. Sage. It disrupts the viral infection and replication processes. Basil. It inhibits early stages of infection and has antiviral action at the intracellular level. Clove. It inhibits viral activity at the replication stage. And frankincense, which blocks the ability of the virus to assemble itself inside the cell. These essential oils can work together to help our body fight the harm caused by the virus, making it difficult for the virus to complete its life cycle or even start it. Isn't it nice that the essential oils from these 10 herbs are all in one bottle? Introducing Altaimune Food Supplement. Made with 100% pure, natural, and certified therapeutic essential oils of oregano, ginger, cinnamon, thyme, peppermint, curcumin, sage, basil, clove, and frankincense, that are botanically and biochemically defined. These 10 herbs work together to help our body fight the harm caused by the virus, by blocking and inhibiting its attachment and entry. Interfering with the viral activity and replication stage, and helps in suppressing the assembly of its progeny, making it difficult for the virus to complete its life cycle, or even start it. Such characteristics have given them antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties that can help us these days. We recommend for you to take 3 milliliters of Altaimune a day for your prevention. Just remember that the only way to not lose in a fight is to not engage in one. The only sure way to not lose against a certain virus is to not have it in the first place. In the absence of a cure, your best bet is still prevention.